Ever wondered why some people get LinkedIn job offers every week while others don't even get viewed? It's not luck, it's LinkedIn algorithm. In this video, I will share 5 simple techniques to make your profile visible to recruiter and get shortlisted fast. Hey everyone, my name is Pooja and today we are unlocking how LinkedIn really decides who shows up first when recruiters search for candidates. Stick till the end because I will also give you a bonus trick that almost guarantees more recruiters' messages. So, trick number 1 is keyword power. So, LinkedIn works like Google. It matches keywords. So, if a recruiter search for data analyst, Python, or Power BI, and you don't have those words in your profile, you are invisible. So, copy the skills and keywords from 2-3 job posts you want, sprinkle them in your headline, summary, and experiences. Trick number 2 is skill sections magic. So in that, LinkedIn ranks profile using skill relevance. It literally gives you an invisible skill score. So add 40 or 50 relevant skills. LinkedIn allows 50. Pin your top 3 skills that match your dream role. Ask for few endorsement. They matter more than you think. You can request to your manager or colleagues. Trick number 3 is complete and fresh profile. So in that, LinkedIn loves complete and active profiles. Those are all star profiles. So in that, add photos, headlines, summary, experience, educations, skills, and certifications, and update something every few weeks, even a new project or post. So what happens? An updated profile tells LinkedIn you are serious, not silent. Trick number 4 is networking. Networking, if you have a more network, you have a more visibility. So connections equal to exposure. The more relevant people you connect with, the higher your profile ranks. So in that, connect with industry peers, recruiter, and managers. At least engage 5 minutes daily, comment, like, and share industry post. Join groups, pages, like there's a lot of technical pages, there's a lot of questions comes up, you can answer of them, or recruiters often search inside them. And trick number 5 is stay active and open to work. So in that, your profile says you are open LinkedIn. You are open. LinkedIn boosts your visibility in your recruiter searches. So in that, turn on open to work in your profile settings. Post or share something weekly, insights, projects, or achievements. And the time is now for the bonus trick. So in that, your headline is the billboard of your profile. So make it specific, not generic. Don't say job seekers looking for opportunity. Say digital marketing executive, or SEO, or content strategy, building brands that convert. So now you know how recruiters really shortlist profiles. Remember, it's not about being perfect, it's about being visible, relevant, and active. Hit like if you learn something new, share this video with job hunting friends, and subscribe for more LinkedIn and career hacks every week. Thank you.